Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the time you are watching my video right now. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to change your phone location to anywhere in the world. So please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share and comment. Please like this video. Like is a free, you don't need to pay before you like a video. Just hit that thumbs up and that's all. Continue watching your video. So what you have to do right now is to go to your Play Store. This is for Android user. Okay, so you go to your Play Store and you search for GPS Emulator. Okay, then you click on install. You install that. So we are installing it right now. Now it's installing. This is pending, so let's wait till it install. Now the installation has started. So once you're done, I don't want to pause this video so you can understand each of the steps I take to change my phone location. You understand? So before this done installing, let's go to my map. And check what's this. If I have to zoom this is Osun State. As you can see, this is Osun State. This is not anywhere out of Nigeria. This is Osun State, Nigeria. Can you see? So I can go to my Snapchat as well. My Snapchat. Go to my Snapchat and location. If I check my location right here, you see this has to be somewhere around Nigeria as well. Can you see? So now let's go back to our Play Store and check what we are installing. Let's go back to our Play Store and check what we are installing. 94. Okay, almost done. Now I click on open. It's very easy. Then agreed. Once you agree, come to the section and search for anywhere you want to put your. Let me say I want to put my location in San Francisco, California. I click on it. It loads for the search and comes up to it ASAP. Make sure you're connected to internet. Yeah, I'm on internet. My phone is connected to the internet. Yeah. So can you see? Now you click on this. Once you click on this, you wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading. My network is fucking up right now. I have to wait for my network to load. Let me change my Wi-Fi. Why? Okay, I think later load up. So let's check. Here we go. This is San Francisco, California. So I just click on this. Let me go back. I click on this place here. So after I click on this place, it brings us these four options. So select mock location app. You click on that one first. You go to developer option. Okay, if you don't have developer option on your phone, this is what you have to do. Let me show you. If you don't have a developer option on your phone, this is what you have to do. You have to go to your settings and go to your we have different type of phone, but sorry, this is not where you go. You go to my phone and you click on bundle number. Just go find your bundle number. Where is it? Is it bundle number or building number? I don't even know. Android fashion. No, it's not here. Sure. Yeah, this one. You tap on it. Can you see? You tap on it 5 times back to back, like consistency is 5 times. Can you see what he said? He said no need, you are already a developer. It's because I've already done that already, that's why. So you click on this after you done that. Once you have a developer, then you go straight down here. You see something to write select mock location. I don't know. it's been a while I do this. That's why I reset everything so that I can teach you guys how to go through it. I'm not just using mouth to explain it. So here we go. So that's why I'm just careful so I can get everything. Okay. So just calm down. Once I see it, I will show it to everyone. So can you see? Select mock location app, then you click on it, then you select that GPS. Once you select GPS, then you back it. Can you see that one is marked already? Location permission. So you, while using this app, battery optimization, this one is not really necessary. Then allow the notification. Allow this one is not that necessary, but if you can get it, then you can just easily optimize it so that it will use from your battery. Then you select all app so that you can see it. If you don't select all app, you might not see it. Okay, so select all app so that you can see what you are looking for. We are looking for GPS emulator, so if I don't see it, I'll just keep it. That is not really necessary, but for it to be more strong on your phone, you need it. You understand? And if I don't see it, then I'll just okay, here's it. Then done. You done it, and that should be all. Can you see it's not even working? So just continue. You have already done what you should do. Then make sure your phone location is on. Can you see my own phone location is on? Then you click on this icon back right now. Right now it will be able to activate it. Can you see? Upgrade to pro. That one is their own problem. Just maybe later. Then re-click it again. So if you go straight to your map right now, let me go to my map. It works instantly, but for it to be more sorry, I'm going for my map. I'm clicking on messenger. So can you see? You have already disappeared. I'm not in this location anymore. So I'll click on this. This will actually take me directly to where I'm, where I am at the moment, where my phone location is at the moment. So once I click it, can you see? Done. Can you see? Let's allow this thing to load and let's see where I am right now. San Francisco. Can you see? ASAP, very fast. Then if you do same thing to your Snapchat, that's what you see there. If you go to your Snapchat, that's what you see there. Can you see location? Then let me do that like this. Can you see my location we left immediately? Let's see. Just hold on. The location should be changed as soon as possible. If I'm not mistaken, let me go to my Snapchat and allow the location. Maybe the location is not allowed because I'm not actually using this one. Permission. Okay, the location is allowed. So let me go. So let's open it again. It works everywhere. You can. It will work as if you're in that location. You understand? It will work as if you're in that location. So Snapchat map. Can you see? San Francisco. It always work. You can. It will show as if you are around that area. Can you see? You can easily check anybody that lives around there as well. If you check it, you will see their story. I don't know how to do that, but I think people that really know how to, you can see it's just loading. Do you see that? So if I click on, why everything is just disappearing? Okay, I think it's just loading because the network is very slow, right? So can you see all my location are very easy. You now have a VPN. You can use a very strong VPN to support it, so that your location will be very strong to any location you set it to. So if you learned something right now, kindly like this video, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell for you not to miss out on my next content. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Meet next tutorial again with another outkick. Bye.